This tiny AV to VGA converter looks simple, but what's hiding inside might surprise you. Let's open it and see what components they actually use and whether this thing is worth trusting. Alright, here we go. Okay, my friend, as you can see, this is AV or RCA input, and here you can see AUX stereo output, and here VGA female port for output here, these pins for VGA, and here switch 720 and 1080p here, this socket mini USB female for 5 volts input power supply, and this IC is very important for convert AV port to VGA. This electronic component is very important in this board. So that's what inside an AV to VGA converter. Simple, cheap, and very limited. If you want me to tear down more adapters or test their real performance, let me know.